In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the features and options in the pile of run screens. MC1 displays 3 different run screens. We start in the main run screen. The top bar shows Pile ID for the selected pile in the design, actual pile elevation measured from the tool, pile heading in degrees, pile angle. Note, if you have a vertical pile, these values will be 0. The lower bar displays information from the design. This is optional information made by the engineer or surveyor, and in this exercise it shows the dimension of the specific pile and the force that can be applied to the pile. Main run screen is a split screen. The left side shows an overview map. The right side shows a bullseye to help you position your machine to work on the next pile. The arrows around the bullseye help to position the tool in the right angle. The upper and lower arrows show the hinge angle. The left and right arrows show the tilt angle. Note, right now the arrow is red and thereby showing the tool out of tolerance. The tower needs to be tilted towards right to have the correct angle before piling. Once the arrows are green, the angles are within tolerances. In this example, the bullseye is displayed green because the tool position is within the defined tolerances for the current pile. We have different options on the run screen. Tap the run screen. Here we can go into 2D mode, map mode, and back into 3D mode. Use one finger to rotate your view. Use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Use 2 fingers to pan the view. Remember to spread your fingers. Note, if you panned away from your machine, then tap the screen and press the crosshair to get back. We have 3 ways of shifting between the 3 run screens. 3-finger tap on the screen. Long press the left and right hardkey arrows. Or tap the screen and press the arrow. The second run screen only displays the bullseye. The rest of the displayed information is the same as the main run screen. The third run screen displays the overview map. The rest of the displayed information is the same as the main run screen. Back at the main run screen. Press the arrow in the bottom to display the icon info bar. The icon info bar will display the conic status, actual elevation on the tool point, the actual machine heading, RTK position, and 3D CQ value. In the bottom you see the actual tool position. Press the arrow again to exit the icon info bar. On the lower bar we have several options. The first opens the main menu. The second opens for active model selection. The third opens for model options. Here we can enable the extra pile option. We need this if we want to make an extra pile not defined in the design. We can enable and disable navigation. This is the height navigation. We can enable names on the piles on this button. In the bottom, you can change offset type. We only use vertical with piles without an angle. If the piles have an angle, we recommend using the option Extend, which will extend the pile through the target endpoint with the offset value. Use the plus and minus buttons, or press the number and then type in the desired offset. You can access the Model Options main menu on the yellow Quick Access button. Press the X to return to Run Screen. The last button is only available if you don't have an interface to your machine. With an interface, the following will happen automatically, but here we show you the manual process. Press the Start button before piling. As you can see, the button changes to a working button. We can abort the pile using this button. Once the pile is completed, press the Stop button. Now enter the actual pile length. Here it is 10 meters. As you can see, the pile turns green and the bullseye view will guide you to the next nearest pile. That's it. You have learned how to use the features and options available in the Pilar run screen.